All right, battery's connected.
Fire it up. All right, here we go. Dude, is that you?
No.
What the hell, bro? You put oil in this thing?
Yeah?
Is that you or is that the motor? What? Oh my god,
Good.
what was that?
First startup. What the heck?